Cala Ratjada, a busy resort in the far northeast of the island, is a popular tourist destination for German, Austrian and French visitors. You can take the number 1 bus from the airport to Palma City, then the Cala Ratjada 411 bus to the resort. You can alternatively take a taxi or arrange for a private bus transfer. Cala Ratjada and Cala Agulla, on the other hand, are on opposing sides of the headland. Over the years, tourist development has resulted in the amalgamation of two resorts, resulting in a dynamic, bustling tourism sector. It is without a doubt one of the most attractive spots on the island, with excellent beaches and forest regions, as well as breathtaking landscape. Cala Ratjada, a busy resort in the far northeast of the island, is a popular tourist destination for Germans, Austrians and other Europeans. Cala Agulla's natural beauty, with its excellent golden sands and stunning blue-green seas set against the mountains, must be seen to be appreciated. Sunbeds, parasols, pedalos and lifeguards are available. Cala Agulla is a favorite with surfers from all around the area who come to ride the waves. Take precautions because the beach is known for its strong currents. The most spectacular natural forest follows Cala Agulla at the end of the beach. The forest, which is a protected area, begins near the main road and runs down to the shore and the coast. In the summer, the trees provide nice shade while you meander through this region, admiring the beauty. Smaller, quieter coves can be found at the trail's finish. In the vicinity, there are a few driving schools where you may learn to dive or improve your skills. You can walk to this beach or drive to the parking lot next to it if you like. During the tourist season, you'll have to pay a little fee to park there. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. There are numerous additional beaches in and around Cala Ratjada. Cala Gat is a little beach with lovely seas and a secluded harbor. From the harbor you might take a stroll here. On the other side of Cala Agulla lies Sun Mall, which is a big beach. Sunbeds, parasols and pedalos are available on this beach. If you have a car, you might travel just a few minutes to the lovely beaches of Cala Mesquida and Canyamel. Bolero, Coco, Chocolate or Physical are just a few of the nightclubs, pubs and discos in Cala Ratjada that provide entertainment till the early hours of the morning. Many neighboring tourist attractions, such as Capdepera's historic castle, are worth visiting. There are a lot of steps to climb, but once you get to the top it's well worth it. On a clear day, the island of Menorca may be seen. It's a stunning view. Despite its diminutive size, the castle has a promenade and visitor information. Several restaurants, some selling tapas, can be found in the plaza square at the very foot of the steps.